Microsoft Playwright Testing Service is going away completely. It's going to be replaced by the Playwright Workspace under Azure Testing. Take a look at my screen. So on my screen, you can see this article, which was written by John Stallo. And this article was, I think, written around in September. This is a very good article which talks about what is replacing Microsoft Playwright Testing Service and what are the benefits. So if I go to Azure App Testing, this is where the new Microsoft Playwright Testing Service will exist. And the new name would be Playwright Workspaces. If you remember, the current Microsoft Playwright Testing Service was always in preview and beta mode. It was never a part of a live production service. But we started using it based on the information we had. So my team will also have to migrate to the Playwright Workspaces. So if you look at the home and go to Microsoft, just a Playwright Testing, it will now say it's a classic. So don't use Playwright Testing Classic anymore because this is the older version. So if you are just starting with Playwright and you want to run your test on an Azure service, use the Azure App Testing and create a workspace over here. But if you are the one like us in my position where my team has to migrate, there is a really good documentation that is provided. So if you go to this documentation, it will show you the steps that you need to take to migrate. I'll put a link in the comments so that you have the idea, but make sure you no longer use the classic Microsoft Playwright Testing Service. Based on a date, it will go away in March. There's also an email address that you can email to, which is playwrighttesting@microsoft.com. If you need any information, any questions, they're really helpful people. I have been talking to the Microsoft team already, and they are very helpful. One thing that I learned from like my communication was what Terraform template should I use? You can always go and ask those questions. If you have this kind of question, just comment it on the video and I'll be able to help you or answer these questions as well. Thank you.